Well, that one seems to pull this top bit up. So where does this go? Goes down there. Oh, it goes through there. Look at that. Now, according to the book, everything should go back to the cockpit area. Yeah, cockpit, that's it. Everything should go back here. So that's what we're going to do, is put everything back to the cockpit area. Then hopefully, oh, look at this. Looking good, isn't it, already? We go through there. Right. Huh. That's looking good already, isn't it? These ropes here. I think we've got lots of ropes. Then we've got another one on this side. We've got this long one here that was wrapped all around the thingy. Was he comes down there, goes through there. So we'll run this to the back of the boat as well, shall we? Right. Oh, sorry, it's not a rope, it's a line. You're quite welcome to tell me off if I use any wrong expressions. The only way I will learn is if I get corrected. Another comment came in the other day, which in fact I called myself small sailing boat, when in fact he said it should be a yacht. Well, yeah, I think I would like to own a yacht. I don't think this classifies itself as a yacht. Well, let's go in there like that. Oh, this is really taking shape. All the ropes were coloured, so they're all in different colours, so it looks as if there's a reason for that. So that's two. Now I've got one more on this side, looks like the red one, which goes there. I think I might have made a boo-boo here. Yeah, I certainly have, because I've got a crossover. So I don't think it will be the first mistake I make putting these lines up, and I very much doubt if it will be the last. Not at all. So let's the red one comes on the second one, so let's put him there. Are you all watching? I'm glad somebody gave me that book, because if I didn't have the book I wouldn't know what I'm doing. The book sort of said that these all have to come to the back and you have to get them in line. So that's what we're doing at the moment. Now, this is the one that was wrong, because it... Oh, did it? No, it's not. Oh, yes, it is. Look, chest up that in there. Let's get up there and do this, shall we? Because I've got them crossed over here, so we'll pull this one back. 3-point contact, remember? 1, 2, 3. That's it. And we go that side of that one. That looks better. Got a yellow one here as well, which is on this side. So I presume, see, this one's come down the mast, it's gone down there through the, I've got a about 2 hours before it gets dark. So with a bit of luck, we will would like to get this done. If not, I've checked the weather forecast and I think it's okay for the next 24 hours. So what I'm going to do, if I don't get done before it gets dark, we'll just have to carry on tomorrow, won't we? Yeah, what a good idea. Right, so that's there. Yeah, let's have a check of them. Right, and then we got this one here, the big one, which I presume is the big line. Not allowed to call it ropes, remember? People get quite upset if I call them ropes. So luckily there's no wind at all today, so that I will be able to hopefully lift the sail up, and well, that's those 4 on that side done. Well, that wasn't too bad at all, was it? Right, let's have a go and look on the other side now, shall we? Hope you've all got bored now. I suppose everybody's switched off by now. Nobody else is watching, so I can just carry on and do what I do. Right, so this side we've got a load of more ropes, lines. Here I am. Somebody's going to tell me off, aren't they? Hey, I am going to get told off by calling them ropes when they're lines. Right, let's right. So we've got white, we've got a white, an orange and a green. So these ones don't look as long. So let's put the white one through first, because that's the one furthest on this side. We're going to do the white one. Oh. That's the white one. Let's do the orange, because that looks like it's the next one. And then last of all we do the green one. Okay. Right. Well, that's all the ropes done at the front end. At the front end of the mask, I think. Let's have a walk up and have a walk around. Okay, and just check that it looks bits that aren't being used. That's the mask. Yes, that's well, it's looking okay. Oh my God, what happened then? It moved. It moved. Right, this is the winch mechanism here, which obviously when you let the mask down, pivots from there. So you've got one, maybe 2 foot of mask this side of the hinge, and then the rest of it's all on the other side of the hinge. So Yeah, I don't know. Feels quite heavy. I think, no, we'll have to have a look at that at another day. Rightio then. So let's go and have a look now at the other end of the sails to see what happens there. I'm going to do I think it's time for a cup of tea. So I'm going to go and have a cup of tea. I'm going to read the book and then we'll come back and continue with the rest, shall we?